This is part 18 of aptitude questions with answers on HCF and LCM. To get more aptitude questions with answers, just go to YouTube and subscribe my channel, which is called BEEK Academy. And in this academy, you'll get more questions with solutions, and you can prepare yourself for any examinations. በዚህ ክፍል የምናየው አፕቲቲዩድ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልሶቻቸው ክፍል 18 ላይ የቀረቡ የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎችን ነው የሚሆነው። እነዚህ አይነት በርከት ያሉ የአፕቲቲዩድ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልሶቻቸው ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ቢክ አካዳሚ ብላችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄዳለን። We have question 53, and question 53 says that the product of two numbers is 2028 and their HCF is 13. The number of such pairs is 1, B2, C3, D4. You are already given the product of two numbers and the HCF of these two numbers. And from this information, you are going to find out the number of such pairs. And there are choices here, A1, B2, C3, D4. Try to do this question by your own and again try to answer the correct one. Okay, let's go to the solution. We have already given the HCF of the two numbers and it is 13, and from this information we can have the two numbers, or we can represent the two numbers in such a way as 13a is the first number and 13b is the second number, and the product of the two numbers is 2028. That means 13a times by 13b is equal to 2028, and from this 13 by 13 it is 169 AB is equal to 2028, and again from this you can derive for AB, and AB is equal to 2028 divided by 169, which is equal to 12. AB is equal to 12. Then you are going to find our coprimes with product 12. Then the coprimes with product 12 are 1 and 12 and 3 and 4. So we have two pairs here, 1 and 12 and 3 and 4. And from the first pair you can have the numbers as such. 13a and 13b are the numbers. Substitute the values of these pairs on 13a and 13b and you can find the numbers as such. 13 times by 1 and 13 times by 12 is the first pair of numbers, and again 13 times by 3 and 13 times by 4 is the second pair of such numbers, and the number of such pairs is 2. So your answer for this question is choice B. እሺ እዚህ ላይ የሚለን ምንድነው? ሁለት ቁጥሮች አሉ። የሁለቱ ቁጥሮች ብዜት 2028 ነው። እንደገና የሁለቱ ቁጥሮች HCF 13 ተሰጥቶናል። ይህንን መሰረት በማድረግ ይህንን ሊያሟሉ የሚችሉ ጥንዶችን ወይም ጥንድ ቁጥሮችን ፈልጉ ነው የሚለው። ምን ያክል ጥንድ ቁጥሮች ይኖራሉ ነው። ይህን መሰረት በማድረግ ሶሉሽኑን እንደሚከተለው መስራት ይቻላል። በመጀመሪያ HCF ከተሰጠ ሁለቱ ቁጥሮች HCF times by a certain variable የመጀመሪያው ቁጥር ነው። again HCF times by another variable የሁለተኛው ቁጥር ነው ማለት ነው። ይህን መሰረት አድርገን 13a አንደኛው ቁጥር ነው፣ 13b ደግሞ ሁለተኛው ቁጥር ነው። እነዚህን ካገኘን የሁለቱ ቁጥሮች ብዜት 2028 ነው ብሎናል። ያ ማለት 13a ሲባዛ 13b እኩል ይሆናል 2028 እንላለን ማለት ነው። ዘን 13 በ13 169 ab is equal to 2028 እንላለን። ዘን ሁለቱንም በግራና በቀኝ ያለውን ቁጥር ለ169 ስናካፍል ab እኩል ይሆናል 2028 ሲካፈል ለ169 ይሆናል። again ab እኩል ይሆናል 12 የሚል እናገኛለን። ይህን ካገኘን በኋላ 12 የሚሰጡ ኮፕራይምስ ፈልጉ። ኮፕራይምስ ሁለት ቁጥሮች ኮፕራይምስ ናቸው ማለት ኤችሲኤፋቸው አንድ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኤችሲኤፋቸው አንድ ሆነ ቁጥሮችን ሲባዙ 12 የሚሰጡ ጥንድ ቁጥሮችን እንፈልጋለን። በዚህ መሰረት ኮፕራይምስ ዊዝ ፕሮዳክት 12 የሆኑ ቁጥሮች 1 እና 12 ሌላ 3 እና 4 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። 1 እና 12 ማለት 1 ሲባዛ በ12 12 ነው። ግን 3 እና 4 3 ሲባዛ በ4 12 ነው። እነዚህ እናገኛለን። 1 እና 12 ከሚለው ላይ ለምሳሌ ሁለቱን ቁጥሮች ማግኘት እንችላለን። በኤ ቦታ 1ን በቢ ቦታ 12ን ሰብስቲቲዩት አድርገን እንደዚሁም 3 እና 4 ከ3 እና 4 ኮፕራይምስ ለኤ 3ን ለቢ 4ን ሰብስቲቲዩት በማድረግ እንደዚሁ ሌላ ሁለት ጥንድ ቁጥሮችን እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። ይህንን አድርገን በመጀመሪያው 13 ሲባዛ በ1 13 ነው። 13 ሲባዛ በ12 13 ሲባዛ በ12 156 የመጀመሪያው ጥንድ ነው ማለት ነው። 13 እና 156 again 13 በ3 39 13 በ4 52 39 እና 52 ሌላው ሁለተኛው ጥንድ ቁጥሮች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ይህን ሳቲስፋይ የሚያደርጉልን በዚህ መሰረት ሁለት ጥንድ ቁጥሮችን እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። ሶ ምን ያክል ጥንድ ቁጥሮች አሉ? ሁለት የሚለው ቾይስ መልሳችን ይሆናል። ሶ ቾይስ ቢ is your answer. Okay, let's go to question 54. And question 54 says that the ratio of two numbers is 13 into 15 and their LCM is 39,780. The numbers are A 884 and 1020, B 884 and 1040, C 670 and 1340, C 2652 and 3060. Here again you are given the information that the ratio of the two numbers is 13 into 15 and their LCM is given as 39,780. And from this information you are required to find out the numbers. What are the two numbers? Okay, try to do it by your own and again try to search the correct choice. I hope you just find the solution for this question, and let me show you the solution. Okay, since the two numbers are in the ratio of 13 into 15, it means the numbers are 13x and 15x. They are in the ratio of 13 and 15. So the first number is 13x and the second number is 15x. And again you are given the LCM of the two numbers, 13 times by 15 times by x, which is equal to 195x is the LCM of the two numbers, and you are given the LCM of the two numbers from the question in that it is equal to 39,780, which is again equal to 195x. So you can say 195x is equal to 39,780 and solve for x. To get a value for x, divide 39,780 for 195, which is equal to 204. The value for x is 204. If you get the value for x, which is equal to 204, substitute this in place of x on the represented values of the two numbers. That means 13x is the first number, and in place of x you can have 204, which is 13 times by 204, which is equal to 2652 is the first number. Again, we have 15 times by x is 204. 15 times by 204, which is equal to 3060, which is the second number. So from the choices that are given here, choice D is the correct answer for this question. So the two numbers are 2652 and 3060. ኦኬ እዚህ ላይ የሚለን የሁለት ቁጥሮች ሬሽዮ 13 ለ15 ተሰጥቷል። ኤልሲኤማቸው ደግሞ 39780 ተሰጥቷል። ይህን መሰረት በማድረግ ሁለቱን ቁጥሮች ፈልጉ ነው የሚለው። ሬሽዮአቸውን መሰረት አድርገን ሁለቱን ቁጥሮች ሪፕሬዘንት እናደርጋለን። ሁለቱን ቁጥሮች ሪፕሬዘንት ስናደርግ የመጀመሪያው ቁጥር 13x ነው፣ የሁለተኛው ቁጥር ደግሞ 15x ነው ማለት ነው። ኤልሲኤም ለማግኘት ሁለቱን ቁጥሮች እናባዛለን። 13x ሲባዛ 15x x ኮመን ስለሆነ አንድ ጊዜ ነው የምንወስደው፣ ስኩዌር አናረገውም። ስለዚህ 13 ሲባዛ በ15 195x ኤልሲኤም ነው ማለት ነው። ወይም ኤልሲኤምን በዚህ መሰረት ሪፕሬዘንት ማድረግ እንችላለን። ነገር ግን ጥያቄው ላይ ኤልሲኤማችን 39780 ሰጥቶናል። ይሄ ማለት 195x ኢኳል ቱ 39780 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ከዚህ ለx ሶልቭ ስናደርግ x እኩል ይሆናል 204 ይሆናል። xን 204 ካገኘን ይሄንን ወስደን መጀመሪያ ላይ ሪፕሬዘንት ያደረግንበት ቦታ ላይ ሰብስቲቲዩት እናደርገዋለን። ያ ማለት 13 ሲባዛ በ204 የመጀመሪያው ቁጥር ነው። ይሄም ቫልዩ 2652 ይሆናል ነው። again 15 ሲባዛ በ204 የሁለተኛውን ይሰጠናል። 15 በ204 3060 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ለዚህ ሁለቱ ቁጥሮች 2652 እና 3060 ናቸው። ስለዚህ መልሳችን ቾይስ ዲ ይሆናል ነው። Okay, you have question number 55. And question number 55 says that there are three numbers and the ratio of the three numbers is 3 into 4 into 5. And their LCM is 2400. Their HCF is A40, B80, C120, D200. Here you are given again three numbers. And the ratio of the three numbers is given in such a way, 3 into 4 into 5. And again you are given the LCM of the three numbers, which is 2400. Having this information, you are required to find out the HCF of the three numbers. Before that, you have to find the three numbers. After you find out the three numbers, it is easy to get the HCF of the three numbers either using factorization method or division method. Anyways, let us represent the three numbers from their ratio in such a way. We have the three numbers ratio 3, 4, and 5, and from this you can represent the three numbers in such a way as 3x is the first one, 4x is the second one, and 5x is the third one. Then to get the LCM of these representing three numbers, you can take x common, it is a common number, and you can take x once and multiply the other numbers, 3 times by 4 times by 5, which is 60. So 60x is the representation for LCM of the three numbers. Now the LCM of the three numbers is 2400. Then 60x is equal to 2400. And again, solve for x from this. To get a value for x, divide 2400 by 60, and you get x is equal to 40. Now you get the value for x, and you can substitute this value on the three representing numbers here. 3x, that means now the value of x is 40. 3 times by 40, which is equal to 120 is the first number. 4 times by 40, which is equal to 160 is the second number. Again, 5 times by 40, which is equal to 200 is the third number. After you get these three numbers, that means 120, 160, and 200. Now you can factorize these numbers and get the common prime factors with a higher power to get the HCF of the three numbers. Then, for example, let's factorize 120, and the factors of 120 are: divide it by 2, it is 60, and 60 divide by 2, again it is 30. Again, 30 can be divided by 2, it is 15, and again 15 is divided by 3, how much? 5 times, and 5 times divided by 5, 1 times, and these are the factors for 120. 2 the power of 3 times by 3 times by 5. Again, factor out 160. 160 by 2, it is 80. Again, 80 divided by 2, 40. Okay, 40 divided by 2, then 20 divided by 2, 10, and 10 can be divided by 2 5 times, and 5 can be divided by again 5 1 times. So we have 2 the power of 4 times by 2 the power of 1 2 3 4 2 the power of 5 times by 5. Again, do it for 200. 200 can be divided by 2, how much? 100 times. Again, divide it by 2, 50 times. Okay, then divide it by 2, 25 times. 25, okay, 5 times. 25, okay, 5 times. Again here, 5 by 5, 1 times. Now you have 2 the power of 3 times by 3 times by 5 are the prime factors for 120. 2 the power of 5 times by 5 is the prime factors for 160, and 2 the power of 3 times by 5 the power of 2 is the prime factors for that of 200. So you can write the prime factors in such a way: 2 the power of 3 times by 3 times by 5 is the prime factors for that of 120. Again, 2 the power of 5, 2 the power of 5 times by 5 is the prime factor for that of 160, and 2 the power of 3, 2 the power of 3 times by 5 the power of 2 is the factors for 200. Now to get the HCF of these three numbers, what you have to do is that first select the common ones from the three primes, or from the three numbers prime factors. Then 2 is common. Again 3 is not common, and take 5. 2 and 5 are common. Then take the one with the least power. The least power from the three numbers prime factors for the base 2 is 3. That means 2 the power of 3 times by, again, the least power for the number 5 is 1, and 5, take 5 as such. 2 the power of 3 times by 5, which is equal to 8 times by 5, which is equal to 40. 40 is the HCF of the three numbers, and the answer for this question is choice A. እሺ እዚህ ላይ የሚለን ምንድነው? ሶስት ቁጥሮች አሉ። የሶስቱ ቁጥሮች ሬሾ እንደዚህ ተሰጥቶናል። ኤልሲኤማቸው ደግሞ በዚህ መልኩ 2400 ተሰጥቷል። ኤችሲኤፉን ፈልጉ ነው የሚለው። ያ ማለት ይህንን መረጃ ይዘን ሶስቱን ቁጥሮች ካገኘን በኋላ ኤችሲኤፉን በፋክተራይዜሽን ሜተድ ወይም በዲቪዥን ሜተድ ከዚህ በፊት ባየነው መሰረት ማግኘት ወይም መፈለግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። በመጀመሪያ ይህን ሬሾ ተጠቅመን ሶስቱን ቁጥሮች ሪፕሬዘንት እናደርጋለን። ሶስቱ ቁጥሮች 3x፣ 4x እና 5x ናቸው። ኤልሲኤማቸው ተሰጥቶናል። ኤክስን ኮመን አድርገን ሶስቱን ቁጥሮች እናባዛለን። ያ ማለት ኤልሲኤሙ 60x ነው ማለት ነው። 60x ኢኳል ቱ ኤልሲኤሙ ኦልሬዲ 2400 ስለተሰጠን 60x ኢኳል ቱ 2400 እናደርግና ለኤክስ ሶልቭ እናደርጋለን። ኤክስ 40 ነው ማለት ነው። ኤክስ 40 ከሆነ ሶስቱን ቁጥሮች በላይ ሪፕሬዘንት ባደረግነው መሰረት በኤክስ ዋጋ 40 እየተካን ቁጥሮቹ እናገኛለን። 3x የመጀመሪያው ለምሳሌ በኤክስ ቦታ ላይ 40ን ሰብስቲቲዩት ስናደርግ 3 ሲባዛ በ40 120 ነው። again በሁለተኛው ላይ 4 ታይምስ ባይ again 40 160 ነው። again በሶስተኛው ቦታ ላይ ደግሞ 5 ሲባዛ በ40 200 እነዚህ ሶስቱን ቁጥሮች አገኘን ማለት ነው። 120 160 እና 200 እነዚህን ቁጥሮች ካገኘን በኋላ ኤችሲኤፍን ለማግኘት ምን እናደርጋለን? ፋክተራይዝ እናደርጋቸዋለን። 120ን ፋክተራይዝ ስናደርገው 2 the power of 3 times by 3 times by 5 ይመጣል። again 160ን ፋክተራይዝ ስናደርገው 2 the power of 5 times by 5 ይመጣል። 200ን ፋክተራይዝ ስናደርገው 2 the power of 3 times by 5 ስኩዌርድ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይህንን ካገኘን በኋላ ኤችሲኤፍን ለመፈለግ የምናደርገው ምንድነው? የጋራ የሆኑትን ለሶስቱም ቁጥሮች የጋራ የሆኑትን ፋክተርስ ዊዝ ሊስት ፓወር የሆኑትን ሰሌክት አድርገን እናባዛለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የጋራ የሆኑ ሊስት ፓወር ያላቸው ቁጥሮች ቱ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 3 እና 5 ናቸው። ቱ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 3 ታይምስ ባይ 5 እኩል ይሆናል 40። ያ ማለት መልሳችን ቾይስ ኤ ነው ማለት ነው። እሺ ለዛሬ በዚህ ይበቃናል። እንደዚህ አይነት ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎችን ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ አሁንም ቢሆን ዩቲዩብ ላይ ቢክ አካዳሚ ብላችሁ ሰርች በማድረግ ቻናሉን መቀላቀል እና ወደፊት የሚለቀቁ የተለያዩ የኳንቲቴቲቭ አፕቲቲዩድ ጥያቄዎችን ማግኘት እንደምትችሉ መግለጽ እወዳለሁ። ታንኪዩ